to think that he was going to go forward and do this with the reserve clause. But sometimes people don't understand, and they don't put the two together. We're talking 60s. This is the civil rights movement. There are people being lynched, little children being bombed, people being killed, marching, wanting their civil rights, their rights to do what the Constitution says you have a right to do. And Curt said, here I am in a profession that does not give me that basic right. So it was quite obvious, in a way, that an African American would see the really limited process of the profession he was in, not having the right to take his talents where he wanted to take his talents, like everybody else could. So it was part of the whole civil rights movement, and very much his cause and his purpose to change that, just in the way we were changing the fact that we're going to vote, we're going to register to vote, we're going to have all the rights that the Constitution says we should have. So it was very, very heartfelt, determined. He wasn't going to quit, and he went forward with it. And it absolutely changed his whole life. He gave up a lot. He gave up, I would say, without any great pause, he gave up everything. He gave it all up for the principle of, I own me. No one else can own me and tell me where to go and when to go. That's not the American way. And he really believed in this country and the rights that everyone should have.